Liz from Caravan Insurance. The off-season can be a great time to get your caravan service ready for the new season ahead. We're here at Peter Roberts Caravans and Motorhomes, where we're going to ask a series of questions about caravan servicing. So let's start with, why is it important to have your caravan serviced?
It's really important to have your caravan serviced every year in order to keep it safe whilst on your travels, and also to maintain any manufacturer's warranties. A service will also look at wearable parts such as breakaway cable, brake pads, one-shot nuts. You can really get your caravan serviced anywhere, but it's really important to maintain your warranty, to take it to approved workshop scheme, which is run through the NCC. For example, Peter Roberts Caravans is an authorised workshop. We've got a team of qualified technicians who can carry out a service and keep your caravan safe. It's not a legal requirement to have your caravan serviced, but we recommend you have it looked at every year. This is to keep your caravan safe and to maintain any warranties. A caravan service will help you identify any small problems that you may have before they escalate into a larger problem. The things that are covered in a caravan service include the hitch and chassis, brakes and wheels, gas and electric, damp water ingress, checking the windows and doors, and a check of the bodywork. In fact, there's a long list. There's over 100 things that we check in a service. A service takes round about 4 hours, but it can be a little bit longer if there's other issues that we need to look at. This is the same for a single axle and a twin axle caravan. Our top tips for customers bringing a caravan in for service: try and keep the floor clear, arrive at the agreed time and dates. This is really important to keep the flow of the caravans in and out of the workshop. Make sure your lockers are not too full so that the engineers can get to check the electrics in and out of the lockers, underneath the bed, in the front lockers, etc. And finally, let your dealer know in advance if there's any issues that you need us to look at, for example, any warranty issues or any problems that you may have with the caravan. The cost of a caravan service does vary from dealer to dealer, and also throughout the UK the prices can vary. It also depends whether it's a single axle or a twin axle, but usually the average service can cost around £200, £250.
So there you go, we hope we've answered some important questions about caravan servicing. And remember, as part of your caravan insurance policy, you do need to keep your caravan in a safe and roadworthy condition. So why not head on over to your caravan dealership or mobile engineer and book in a service today. For more hints and tips, why not head on over to the Caravan Guard website. Thanks for watching and happy caravanning.